Did she tell you how long the whole process and everything should take for the baby to be with you guys?
She said that they wanted to, she's going to transition. So they would go from, she wants him to come to as many visits as he can, and then they would do day visits. And then after day visits, she would do every other day visits, and which would transition into a sleepover. So she said, huh? Yeah. But, and I asked her, are we able to be a part of those visits? And she said, yeah. Oh, are you taping it? Recording?
Right here.